What's the meaning of Benjamin Disraeli? Benjamin Disraeli. Benjamin Disraeli.
Benjamin Disraeli. Benjamin Disraeli. Benjamin Disraeli was a prominent British politician and writer who lived during the 19th century. He served as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom twice, in 1868 and then again from 1874 to 1880. Disraeli was known for his charismatic personality, political savvy, and ability to appeal to working-class voters, although he faced significant opposition from some quarters. As a writer, he produced many popular novels, including Coningsby and Sybil, which explored political and social issues of his time. Overall, Disraeli is remembered as a major figure in British political history, whose life and work continue to be studied and debated by scholars today.